Okay, so I'm gonna take the quiz from this book. Look, it's chapter 2. Hold on. Yeah, chapter 2 is VI. Cool. So let's go to chapter 2. I'm not sure about this PDF editor. Q PDF view. I guess that's okay. Chapter 1. Hold on. Yeah, that assessment's super, super long. We just took it. I didn't do very well. I have a lot of studying to do. So don't worry if you're struggling with an exam, because I am too. All right, so VIM Tutor teaches you all of these things in this lesson, but it's so much better because you actively have to use your knowledge. Okay, so let's do the first 10 questions from here and see if we're ready or not. So I'll do like side by side. We'll have the PDF and we'll have the terminal. Can I put my face in this? It's probably a way to make these snap. I just don't know how because I'm a Linux noob. But hey, I'm trying, right? I'm learning here. Make it a little bit bigger for you guys. There we go. Okay, number one. Let's make a file with Vim for this. Let's call it Vim quiz. Okay, so blank document, right? Number one. Let's go insert mode. Boom, insert mode. Okay, one. How are operating systems and applications configured parameters stored on a Linux system? I went back and forth between this question. I know that B is wrong. There is no registry. There's no Hive. It's not Windows. Database. Well, then you probably have to have a lot of databases, right? So B and D are just silly. I was really floating around with INI or, A text files. Well, INI like is a text file, right? So I'm a little confused there. Maybe it's not, but anyway, so everything is just basically text editing or text file, all the configurations and every file, every setting, everything with your programs can be edited with VI. Like you can go into your network and change things. You can go into your system settings and change things with VI very easily. So I'm on the side of A. Okay, so everything's text files. Two, Beth is trying to quit a file without, I was going to highlight that without, that's a key word. It's even italicized without saving any new edits since the last time she wrote the file to disk. She receives the error, no write since last change. Select the answer. Okay, so we want to quit and we don't want to save. So what's the command for quit? Do you remember? What do we have here? Q is what? It stands for what? So one, two, three. There's three that have Q in it. Um, we don't want to save anything, so we don't want to write to the file. Does that help you? No writing, only quitting. Okay. How do we bypass the prompt? Is to use exclamation mark. So you would say colon, quit, exclamation mark. Answer's D. Okay. Three. Your cursor is positioned at line 14 with document. Which command will bring the cursor to the top of the document? I'm thinking A because it's like line one, right? Top of the document. But other than that, I'm totally lost. I don't really know. Colon, colon. Colon is when you want to make a commit or a write. What mode are we in? Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Okay. A, B, totally guessing. I just have a feeling A is one of them. Okay, four. Philip has a terminal window open on his Linux system. The current directory is temp. He needs to use VI to edit B and C in the folder etc. intd.d directory. We're gonna edit B and C file configuration. Where is that? Where would that be? I think it's really trying to throw you off. His current working directory or current working directory is temp. He's in temp, but just because you're in temp doesn't mean you can VI like something that's somewhere else, right? So I am gonna eliminate B. Maybe A works, but if there's no environment variable, it won't. So I'm not sure about A. Let's eliminate B and A for now. Um, well, if I do D, that's just the folder, but it's not the application setting. So I'm gonna say C. That makes the most sense to me right now. Okay, 5. Carrie has a terminal window open on her Linux system, and the current directory is home Carrie. Guess that's how you say that name. She needs to create a new file in her home directory named resources.txt. Okay, where is the home file? Um, none of those have the home file. So can we eliminate any? Well, I know that you can use this text to reference your home file. I just remember that because I've been doing that in Linux for a while. So, C. Okay. Which mode does VI open into by default? Well, look at our VI window right now. It's in insert mode, right? Well, I put it in insert mode, but I had to change that. So we can eliminate insert mode. That's not the usual mode it comes in. It's not default. Command line mode? It is a command line program, so that's a bit funny. So let's eliminate A and B. Replace mode? You can replace characters while you're in normal mode. Is there a replace mode? Okay, I've eliminated quite a few of these. Let's say C. Pretty sure it's opening in normal mode. After opening a file, Ralph uses the HGK and L to move the cursor. Yeah, we learned that in lesson 1, right? He tries to type, but nothing happens. Why? Why would that not work? Think about it. The VI editor is in insert mode. He needs to switch to normal mode. The VI editor is in normal mode. He needs to wait a second. You have to be in insert mode or in normal mode to use those keys. Can I cheat? Because I have VI open right now. Oh no. Yeah. So if I'm in edit mode, I can't use those. So I just cheat a little bit. Sorry. Okay. But cool. So we can't be in insert mode. That eliminates quite a few things. Let's say it's A. You gotta be in normal mode to do those. Can we cheat? Okay, now that's in normal mode. Can I go up and down? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I just found the answer playing around that way. Well, you can't do that on the Linux exam, but no harm, no foul. We're just learning here. Okay, 8. Let's do the last one, and then we're going to grade it. Audrey uses VI to edit a text file in normal mode. Because of the nature of the changes she has made to the file, she needs to switch to replace mode. Which of the commands key combination should Audrey use to do this? Like I said in the last one, I don't even know if there's a replace mode. Did I miss that? Why don't I remember this? So we're totally guessing here. Escape and then R. Hmm? Can I cheat? No, not quite sure. I don't know. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's just put A. No idea if that's correct. Okay, let's look at the answers here. Okay, Linux uses text files. So remember that everything's just text files. All these settings and programs are just text files. You can edit them with VI. Okay, 2D, VI requires the right contents. But yeah, if you don't want to write and you just want to quit, you can hit colon quit and then bypass the warning with exclamation mark. Yeah, I've done that so many times. I really remember that. 3, A and C. Okay, I can't remember that one to go to the top. Let's test it now. So if I hit escape 1G, yes, that went to the top. Okay, we're in normal now. If I hit escape GG, GG, good game. Well, I learned a new one there. So if you made a mistake to, so if you made a mistake, get more practice in. Probably by using the commands over and over again. 1G and GG. Okay, so those are at the top. I didn't know that or I forgot it. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but new knowledge for me. I'm gonna write that down in like a flashcard somewhere, and make sure that I quiz myself with VI later. That helps me learn more. Okay, 4, because the file to be loaded doesn't reside in the current directory. Yeah, the this line, the squiggly, what do we call that? That is gets you into your home directory. Next, 5D. So I got 5 wrong. Has not specified. It will create a file in her current directory, which is what she wants. Oh, hold on. I wanted to look at this question a little bit more. And that one was D, VI resources.txt. If you don't specify a folder, it'll just go to home. Okay. VI with no directory equals home folder. So that really tricked me because I know that you can use that on command line to get to your home directory, but no. It's kind of silly one, right? Really tricky. That was a trick question. And there will be a lot of trick questions on the Linux Plus exam. 7 is B. Missed another one. Man, see, I'm not perfect. Got a lot of studying to do. So 7, let's go back. So that one's B. Oh, yeah, I didn't read it carefully. So H, J, K, L. That's really embarrassing, even though like I did it in real time. Easy to get confused, huh? Insert mode. So I'm in insert mode right now. Does it work? No, it doesn't. Is this wrong? It has to be normal mode. I disagree with this. It's not A. 7 is A. Oh, he needs to switch to normal mode. I didn't. It's just so tricky, right? You have to really slowly read every word. And I didn't. I went too fast. I missed the point. And that is how you fail an exam because you're not careful enough and you didn't read the context. So that's good practice. I need to read more carefully. Okay, pressing the key escape R. I totally guessed that and I got it right. Okay, so I need to also study replace mode because I'm not too knowledgeable about it. All right, how did you guys do on your quiz? Did anything I do help you? Was it easy? Was it hard? Did you learn something new or gain some confidence? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my channel for more CompTIA content and take care.